Hi, I'm John from Level Up, product support for WordPress, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your PC. In most cases, if you want to build a WordPress site, you have to buy hosting plan and domain. But what if you just want to try or learn or test WordPress, especially if you are a beginner? So, in this video, you will learn to install WordPress locally on your PC, and you don't need to purchase hosting package because the software that we are going to use is free, the Bitnami WordPress software. The Bitnami WordPress software provides a one-click install solution for WordPress, and this software will allow us to run WordPress on your PC. So here's the video walkthrough on how to install WordPress locally on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type Bitnami WordPress to your address bar. We're going to download a software called Bitnami WordPress. That's the URL for us to download the Bitnami WordPress software. And let's click the download link located in the right side of the page, then download it. Let's wait until it's finished. Okay, now let's open the Bitnami. Just click the next button. I use the default setup, but you can change your installation folder. In this section, you have to add your basic information, including your email, login username, and password. Remember your login details because we will use it later. Then just click the next button and let's wait until it's finished. Let's enable the Launch Bitnami WordPress stack to open the page to your browser and click Finish. Let's click the Access WordPress link. And it's done. We have successfully installed WordPress locally. Now let's go to the admin area by typing the login next to your URL link. Then enter the login details you provided from installation process and click Submit button. Now we have a WordPress site installed locally on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Again, I'm John, and I'll see you in the next WordPress tutorial.